Welcome to Africote. Today let's look at our decorative chalky coating, known for its vintage matte finish.
Are you ready to turn the ordinary into extraordinary? Meet your surface's new best friend, Africote's versatile acrylic coating. Transform furniture, cabinets, walls, glass, and even metal with a chic chalky matte finish.
Please note that this video is not for training purposes. It is a preview of how the product is applied for viewers. Contact Africote for more information. Gear up for your transformation adventure. Your DIY toolkit includes a trusty roller, a paintbrush, an 80 to 220 grit sandpaper, a sponge brush, a handy paint tray. And good news, all these tools are readily available at your local Africote store. Take a look at these photos of a small dining table before its transformation with Africote chalk coating. To get ready, lightly sand your surface and then use a damp cloth to wipe away the sanding dust. And now you're all set up to apply your first coat of Africote Chalky Paint. Grab a paintbrush or a roller and start painting evenly over the surface. Let the transformation begin. Start by cutting in the surface, painting along the edges and corners first. This step ensures an even application before you tackle the entire surface. Let's make every stroke count. While painting, make sure to follow one direction. And be sure to cover all those small spaces, crevices, edges, and corners so that you get a detailed, high-quality finish that truly shines. After finishing your base coat, the next day, once your base coat is dried, grab a lighter or darker shade of your Africote chalky coating. Use a smaller brush or paint sponge and apply this new coat into small crevices and cracks with spontaneous, uneven strokes. Using the same color paint as your base coat, lightly and unevenly brush over the surface with a paintbrush or a paint sponge to break up the second coat further. Next, use a damp cloth to blend everything together for a seamless textured finish. After 24 hours, once the paint is dry, gently sand the surface, paying special attention to the corners and crevices to create that aged vintage look. After sanding, wipe away the dust with a damp cloth and finish up by applying a coat of protective sealer to safeguard your surface and make your paint really stand up. 80 to 100 grit sandpaper is perfect for achieving that weathered, centuries-old look. 100 to 220 grit sandpaper is ideal for achieving an aged character and refined elegance. Choose a matte or a gloss final sealer, depending on your preference. Our chalky coating, available in endless color options and paired with strategic sanding, opens up a world of design possibilities. The following images showcase the stunning variety of finishes that you can achieve. This furniture piece was done using an 80 grit sandpaper to achieve an authentic, time-worn appearance. Our sales consultants would be thrilled to assist you with product queries and home design. Africote thanks you for watching.